Good evening. My name is Rainia Custis, and I will be submitting my final reflection by discussing my experience in the rhetoric and speech course, from working on assignments on composition and speech, learning how to organize a speech and understanding the importance of delivery, and then learning strategies to combat anxiety for when the time is to have a presentation speech in front of an audience. As this 8th week closes, I can say that my outlook on speaking and how well you have to prepare yourself prepare yourself or your counterparts has changed. Overall, I have gained a lot of growth during this course. The first assignment, which was the introductory speech, was helpful to break the ice on how to speak to an audience. It taught me about self-preparedness and also storytelling about yourself and experiences that you have gone through. The informative speech was more of a research speech that I had to research many articles and analyze data to prepare myself, and the structured topic, which I chose K through 8th, basically banning smartphones in the school system. This helped me with my growth and confidence, speaking a little bit more, talking about a subject that I had to research and truly understand how I was going to inform the audience and persuade them on the information that I gathered. Another assignment that kind of taught me some more things were peer interviews. It helped me discover things that I truly needed to work on when I spoke to audiences. It actually made me kind of rewatch some of the videos that I submitted and look at what I should be working towards, on how I present information, how I speak to the audience, and how I look on camera. The discussion and the quizzes reinforced these assignments that we learned, and additional to the assignments that we submitted. Major takeaways were for sure being prepared and organizing a topic by the outlines. Those outlines truly helped me because I feel like if I were not to have worked on those, I would have to redo a lot of speeches. The strategies to manage anxiety and nervousness when speaking to the camera or an audience, and critical thinking was really, I actually enjoyed doing the quizzes and the discussions because it allowed us to think critical when it came to the learning about speaking, not just actually speaking to an audience. And skills I gained were pacing myself to make sure that I would meet the time frame of the speeches, composition skills, which I touched on outlining and drafting a speech, and then having more confidence in speaking to an audience and not being afraid and actually speaking. And I thank you for your time, and thank you.